Welcome, creative friends. Look at my clean desk. I did a bit of reorganization and it feels so much better after that. For today's prompt of No Sue November Torn Edges, I want to jump straight into doing. I actually forgot to start my camera, so I skipped the part where I did the napkin transfer onto my tag as well as the cutting part. To get frayed edges, you simply use a brush with water and trace around the edges. My napkin was originally a bit of teal color, but it didn't show up well with the yellow background of my tag underneath. So I decided to jump ahead and make use of the next day's prompt, painted pages. I simply started painting on my napkin with acrylic paint. This way, I changed the color scheme and softened the background. I could have stopped here, but I had too much paint on my palette, so I pulled out my Gelli blade, and from there things developed in a totally different direction. So welcome to a little Gelli printing session in between. created some background papers that I'll probably use throughout the challenge. I found another tag and some Amazon packaging material, still building up backgrounds because honestly, at this point I had no idea what I wanted to do for torn edges. I don't like doing things on repeat, and in my opinion, this is one of those prompts that doesn't leave much room for creative exploration. But I was completely wrong. Instead of storing those papers, I decided to use them to create a layered booklet on my tag, of course with torn edges. So I pulled out my tearing ruler to do that. I assembled them with scotch tape, and now I have a tag with lots of writing or drawing space. And since I still had paint left, I used it to cover the inside pages of my booklet too. Nothing goes to waste. Look at all those textures. I love that. A bit of gold paint will bring them even more to life. So it ended up being a bit of a finger painting session too. I added some stickers to finally finish my pages. Look at the napkin, and here you can see the final result. What a difference! I really hope you like how my pages turned out so far. I will stop here and make an announcement for tomorrow's video. I'll be talking about my 500 subscribers giveaway, and I'll also reveal a secret. So please hit that like button and come back tomorrow. Happy creating!